For next fight, ladies and gentlemen, introducing out of the red corner, weighing 77 kilos, fighting Extreme Fight Club, welterweight division. Let's make some noise for Rishabh.
Yes, once more, Rishabh is making his way to the cage from Extreme Fight Club, making weight 77.1 kg to take on Joshua from Ark MMA Story.
अरे वहाँ पे ना बॉटल ले ले
चल गया
किसको चाहिए पीने के लिए ना
Introducing his opponent out of the blue corner, representing Ark MMA, weighing 77 kilos, fighting welterweight division. Ladies and gentlemen, Joshua.
So once again, guys, bout number 30, Rishabh from Extreme Fight Club taking on Joshua from Ark MMA Story.
Obey my command at all time. Keep it clean as well.
Final instructions before the bout now start.
Let's go, guys.
Round one. Let's go, guys. Round one. Joshua opened with an outside leg kick. And Rishabh went for a takedown, but Joshua countered. Now Rishabh hasn't wizard, but still a beautiful counter. Joshua is trying to take the back, going for a bear hug and trying to trip from back. Rishabh is trying to break the grip, but Joshua is trying to sink in. He's not letting off the double underhooks. A beautiful cage control by Joshua. And now both the fighters are outside.
Wait, what was that
Now again, Rishabh has gone for takedown, for a double leg takedown, but a beautiful defense by Joshua. He's on Fred Entlock system, but he wants to finish.
Joshua is trying for a guillotine but nope
But pulled guard. Joshua has just pulled the guard.
now Joshua is on the top throwing
I think
punches.
that wasn't a wise decision, but yeah, let's see. But Rishabh has need to take advantage of this situation. Posture up and start pounding. I'm like, Joshua, I think he should be pretty much confident in his back. I'm like fighting off the back because he himself pulled the guard. So let's see how his jiu-jitsu skills will show up here or showcase his jiu-jitsu skills here. But if you're looking, I think he's going for a submission attempt. He's trying for a triangle. But Rishabh has just outpowered it. Rishabh is trying to pass the guard, but Joshua not allowing him to pass the guard. Joshua is constantly keeping him in the guard. And now he's locked in a triangle. Almost locked in a triangle. Rishabh should escape. It's a very bad spot for Rishabh. Joshua is here to finish the triangle. Almost completely synced in. He's missing the head control. Once if he gets the head control, I think it will completely synced in. And switching to the armbar. But almost again record the triangle back again. And Joshua is missing the head control. Once he gets the head control, I think he can finish it. But right now he doesn't have the head control. And Rishabh needs to frame up. A beautiful armbar setup again. Continuous switching between triangle and armbar. A good jiu-jitsu display from Joshua. And trying to... Oh, it slipped. The triangle slipped. Now again he's back in the half guard. Joshua likes to play through his back, but Rishabh is trying to frame up and push up. Rishabh should be careful. Joshua is using his guard completely. A good round one. Both had those moments, but I would say Joshua has taken this round slightly. I'm like, Joshua was pretty confident on his guard, on his jiu-jitsu. So he straight away pulled up guard without hesitating. And yeah, he almost got 2 triangles and constantly kept switching between triangle and armbar. Joshua, he had a good guard game actually.
Yeah.
Round 2. So let's see how things will go. I would say Rishabh should keep this in striking. Joshua is good at his grappling. Beautiful jab by Joshua.
Rishabh seems a little bit
The cross
fatigued.
connected. Joshua is dropping his hands and trying to move forward and going for a takedown. He's trying to go for take the back. Almost secured a hook. He's going for the other hook. It completely secured, but he slipped off the back. Now he's recovered the back again. A beautiful recovery from Joshua. But Rishabh is not allowing him to get his belly flattened. Rishabh is holding on his base. I like Rishabh used a different technique to get up. He is the right way to get up. But Joshua is constantly controlling. A good jiu-jitsu game, a good grappling sequence by Joshua. Almost synced in, completely secured the back. Let's see if Joshua can finish the back. Can he get an RNC? Rishabh constantly protecting himself. He should fight off the hand. But Joshua controlling the back and starting to pound him. Beautiful transfer from back to mount. Now again he's going to start punching. I think Rishabh to escape from there. Joshua is constantly throwing the hammer fist. He's constantly throwing the hammer fist. Rishabh needs to protect himself. Else the referee may stop. Rishabh needs to protect himself. Joshua is constantly opening this hammer fist. Now he's on high mount. Constantly putting the pressure. Beautiful control by Rishabh here. And the corners through the towel. A beautiful dominant victory for Joshua. A ground and pound victory for Joshua in the second round.
This is the first match in Malayuddha 4.0 where a corner has thrown in a towel.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing your winner. Winner by TKO. And the winner hails from the blue corner. Let's make some noise for Joshua!
What a grappling display by Joshua. He showed his grappling skills, completely controlled Rishabh and secured the win.
Introducing